What's up, everyone? Picked up this today because another saw is acting up, so gotta get this put together. We'll see how it works and see if we can get some square cuts out of it, or if it's not worth the 250 bucks. Here we go with the second cut. The first cut went pretty good. We'll try it on some steel now. 2-inch. I mean, we're not flying through it, but let's see how she does. So that cut took just about 8 minutes. I'm sure there's some adjusting you can do to get it faster, but you want to take your time so you can get a clean cut. We'll see how it did. It's square. Just quick deburr and now we're checking it. I mean, we'll get much better than that for 250 bucks. Yeah, it took almost 10 minutes to cut, but good square cut's gonna save you plenty of time. Gotta say, pretty impressed for the cost. Maybe put a more aggressive blade on it, get a faster cut. It was about 1/8 inch wall, 2x2 square tubing, mild steel. 10 minutes. It's got a 14 teeth per minute per inch right there on that blade. Put a more aggressive one. Maybe add a hydraulic cylinder instead of that spring cylinder, give it a more consistent pull.